In our modern lives, we are constantly surrounded by stimulation. Screens, noise, fluorescent lights, notifications pulling us in every direction. And in that kind of environment, something sacred begins to dull: our senses. Our senses are the means by which our intuition speaks, how the spirit world connects. The body doesn't whisper intuitive messages through a crowded inbox or a loud room. It speaks through sensation, through stillness, through presence. And this is where nature becomes one of our greatest allies. Nature reawakens our senses softly, naturally, and completely. When you step outside and truly notice the texture of a leaf between your fingers, the scent of lilacs on the breeze, the song of a bird nearby, the warmth of the sunlight on your face, you're not just relaxing, you're tuning in. You're remembering how to listen. You're remembering how to receive. These are not just human experiences, they're spiritual skills: touch, scent, sound, sight, breath. These are the same pathways we use in mediumship, in energy healing, and in psychic sensing. So, when you're feeling disconnected or cloudy in your intuition, don't force it, don't overthink it. Instead, go outside. Let nature reintroduce you to your own senses. Walk barefoot on the earth, close your eyes and feel the breeze on your skin. Smell a flower and let it bring you back to your breath. The more you reconnect with your physical senses, the clearer your intuitive ones become. Nature doesn't just calm your body, it opens your soul. So the next time you want to strengthen your connection to the spirit world, try touching a tree. Because your intuition doesn't need more information, it needs presence. And presence begins with your senses in nature.